Hi everyone, it's Dee from Gastrofork here. Today I am unboxing the Cuisinart vertical waffle maker. The good folks at Cuisinart sent this to me to try, and I'm so excited to have a waffle maker. It's one of my favorite breakfast foods. On the box there are some pictures to give you an idea on how the vertical waffle maker works. So let's get to opening it up. The instruction manual. There's some good tips on how to get started and even some interesting recipes, including gluten-free options. Some other info. Okay, I'll need to put this on the side to open it up. And here's the pouring cup. It's supposed to be the perfect amount for when you pour it into the waffle maker. My initial thoughts? The waffle maker is a nice size, perfect for small spaces. The metal on the base is not too heavy, but heavy enough to keep it stabilized. The material is doesn't feel cheap, but well made. The knob has a nice feedback to it and doesn't spin loosely. Okay, let's look at the metal plates. The latch is easy to use, but not to a point where you'd be worried that it would open on its own. The waffle plates are a good size for your typical size waffles. So what you would do is you would plug this in, turn the knob to your desired toasting color, wait for it to beep, and then pour in the batter. Gravity does its thing to make sure it's evenly distributed. Overall, I think this is a great product. Again, very compact and perfect for small spaces like my own. The heating plates work well and give an even distribution of heat. It does take a bit of practice to get the perfect waffles, but they're nice and crispy. Like most waffle makers, you'll have to wipe it clean, which is fine. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!